back now with Today Food, and this morning we are cooking up an easy and delicious dinner that you can make on a busy fall day. So Chef Geoffrey Zakarian is here to share a delicious recipe for his Italian classic crispy chicken Milanese. Chef, good morning. How are you?
Good morning.
Before
what a busy day.
Recipe, I know Craig's got the mount ready to go.
Ready to go over there.
But
be careful.
Can we talk about City Harvest
yes,
first?
Of course. City
what's
Harvest.
This event you got coming up?
Well, the president of the Food Council there, we have given away this year 100 million pounds of food.
That's
55% fresh vegetables.
That's huge.
To New Yorkers in need, 1 in 4. October 29th, a big date. City Harvest Real Gala at the Glass House. Tickets are on sale, cityharvest.org. A special place. Please come. It's amazing. October 29th.
We love
it.
What you do.
Great charity. All right, we're going to do chicken breast Milanese. So, like I tell everybody first, mise en place. What does that mean? Everything's in place. You're in place.
I'm in place.
He's got his chicken. Ready to go.
He's got his chicken in the bag. He can't wait. He's been holding that thing. He wants to pound his chicken now evenly.
Which side do you use?
You don't use this side. Okay. That's the tenderizer, the sharp side. You want to use the flat side. Go ahead, like evenly, right? He's going to bang that out. You ready?
Oh,
very good. So now, if you notice, that's a very substantial portion. You could almost cut it in half. Lengthwise, and then pound it and have two.
What does the pounding do? Give it the right shape, or does it make it?
Honestly, it really makes it thin. So you see here, we have these already. They're the same thickness, which is important when you fry. So we're going to go a little salt. Okay. We're going to go right into the flour, and what I like to do is use a tongue. You don't have to touch it, and then salt on the other side. You see how we're doing these?
Okay.
It's a good little method. And then this is called a Feb station: flour, egg, breadcrumb.
Okay.
And we just put them in the egg station.
Well, that's it.
That's it. And then into this egg into this breadcrumb, we put a little Parmesan cheese to give a little zhuzh. Would you get some pepper in there for me, please?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And we're just gonna. There you go.
There we go.
Here we go. How easy is this?
It's so easy.
Look, I haven't really touched anything.
You think it's complicated, but until you actually do it, and when you have everything in place.
Everything in place, which is mise en place. It's a
what
fancy
kind of flour
term.
is that?
Regular AP flour. This is breadcrumbs. Panko. You buy them in the store. They have all kinds of breadcrumbs now. Gluten-free, herbs, without herbs. I mean, it's just incredible.
Just whatever you like.
And then we have that here, and then we're going right into cast iron olive oil.
Oops.
And make sure you put it away from you so you don't splash. You splash the backsplash, not the person. 350 degrees in olive oil. I love the flavor of olive oil. It's the best. A little salad. Are you ready?
Yes.
A little whisk. Lemon juice, olive oil, salt, pepper. We have gorgeous arugula, cherry tomatoes. You can put some cheese in. That's all that is. You're gonna put. Let's put all of that. That looks perfect, right?
The perfect
now,
amount.
if you don't have arugula, you can use spinach. You can use kale. You can use basil. It doesn't really matter. A beautiful. Look at this chicken. Look how beautiful golden it is. Let's dig in, guys.
And we pretty much cook this in real time.
We cook this in real time. This will take, if you have everything ready, 6 to 7 minutes. Tell me you can't cook a meal in under 10 minutes. You can. You just have everything ready. A little bit of pep. Come on, people. You need some pepper. Look how beautiful this is. What was that? That was 7 minutes. That was 5 minutes.
Well done.
Wow. It's amazing. So how often do you make this?
A lot. This is like one of our staples of the kids are hungry. And you do all this breading all ahead of time. You can do it in the morning. Put it in the fridge when you come home. You know in your mind, it's ready. I can have some fun and eat very quickly.
I would make this dish just to pound the chicken. Just to pound the chicken.
Can I just ask one quick question? Because I always make too much, and then I have leftovers. What's the best way to reheat a chicken cutlet?
Here's a great idea for the chicken cutlet. If it's cooked already, you make a chicken sandwich the next day, right? So you make the same salad.
Okay.
You can warm it up or not warm it up. You can put a little spicy mayonnaise on it or aioli. Put it in a piece of French bread. Are you kidding me? You put that in the lunch basket for your kid. They're going to love you.
And all their friends are going to love you, too.
You're going to trade sandwiches. It's a new trading. It's coming out in the stock market. Trading lunches.
Geoffrey, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
We always love when you're here.
Congrats
you
on
can
City Harvest.
Your favorite recipes from the show with a free Today account. Scan the QR code below or head to today.com to get these recipes and access your free account.